Creating a delicious, healthy recipe should be fuss-free. I'm going to show you how. Hey guys, let's make a delicious veggie spaghetti. This recipe is on our website at savorythoughts.com. Hey everyone, it's Marlene here with Savory Thoughts. So guys, today's recipe is absolutely delicious and it's also very healthy. We are making veggie spaghetti, and for this we are using grape tomatoes. We also will be adding in shredded cabbage. You can use one small cabbage or a half of medium cabbage. Be sure to thinly slice it or shred it. Leave it in cold water so that it can retain its color and crispiness. Next, we are also adding in carrots. Guys, the full recipe is on the website at savorythoughts.com. It's completely free, and we're also showing you step-by-step photo guide on how to make it with ease. Once you're done peeling your carrots, go ahead and set it aside. And we also will be adding in garlic cloves. This will help intensify the flavor of the vegetables. It will give it a warm flavor and also will make it that much more delicious and enjoyable. So once you're done dicing your garlic, go ahead and set it aside. So guys, instead of using pasta for this, we are actually going to substitute the pasta for yellow squash. So go ahead and cut the end of your squash and use a spiralizer to shape it into spiral form so that it resembles spaghetti. Once you're done, repeat the process with the other squash and set it aside. Now, to give this dish a little bit more substance, we're also adding in sweet potatoes. We're also doing the same thing with spiralizing the sweet potatoes. I find that it's a lot easier to cut it in half because when it's going through the spiralizer, it starts to come off and break apart. So when you cut it in half, you're able to use the grip attachment to hold it in place. And we're also doing the same thing with the carrots. My suggestion is that you start slow and increase the speed as it continues to cut. Go ahead and heat up the oil and the butter in a large wok. Once the butter have melted, now we're going to add in the vegetables. We're starting off with the sweet potatoes because it takes longer to cook. And as you continue to cook it over medium-high heat, go ahead and add the other ingredients. Once your sweet potato starts to soften up, add your diced garlic. Continue to mix well to combine. And now at this point, you also want to add in your sliced cabbage. Now just be mindful that the cabbage will produce liquid, and that's perfectly fine. Continue to mix well to combine. Bring in the sweet potatoes on top. That way you give the cabbage a chance to cook. Once the cabbage are cooked to your liking, go ahead and add the carrots. Again, continue to mix well to combine. I definitely recommend that you continue to mix from bottom up. That way all of the ingredients have the same opportunity to cook without being mushy. Next, add in your tomatoes and the remaining ingredients as well as the seasoning. You definitely want to add your squash last because that literally takes minutes to cook. Continue to stir to combine. And once the vegetables are cooked to your liking, you are left with a beautiful veggie spaghetti-like dish. Again, guys, the full recipe is on the website at savorythoughts.com. And if you are new here, we would love for you to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we don't want you to miss out on any new videos. Cheers.